An outdoor hiking mom gift guide. Here's a bunch of ideas for you. A soft shell carrier, a hard shell carrier, and the accessories for ring. A satellite phone with subscription, or a family size first aid kit. Merino wool base layers with a nursing top, or our Kids Who Explore Kula nose wiper. A Summit Z seat, a good outdoor baby bunting, a decent pair of hiking poles or ice cleats for the winter trails, or the super handy Trail Magic, a Born to Explore baby tube, a bear holder and bear spray, a travel and first aid kit for the car, or accessorized with a Garmin watch, headlamps for the sunset chasers, or hydration pack, a charcuterie yum box, the Garmin Messenger, a hiking specific pant, a nice puffy jacket, or a mountain getaway experience. And gifts can be overwhelming, but sometimes she'll just want you to plan a hike and carry the baby.